Hey guys, I'm back again with another Ugandan recipe. Today I'm making chapati. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see me make next. I started off by using 1.5 cups of plain or all-purpose flour. I added in a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of sugar. I then mixed it in with my fingertips like this before adding some warm milk. You can also use warm water, but milk gives it a better taste. Just make sure it's warm. I then began kneading the dough and I felt like it needed more water, so I added in a tiny bit of warm water. Once I felt the dough was soft, I added in some oil. By the way, this is a long process and it takes time and patience. It looks fast on camera, but it's not. And at this point, my dough was ready because it's no longer sticking to the bowl, and when I poke it like that, it springs back up. I let it rest for about 45 minutes and began preparing the surface. I sprinkled some flour because I don't want the dough to stick to the surface, and I just kind of pulled it out like a rope in a long kind of ropey shape and began rolling it like this. And that's how I prepared the rest as well. Next, I got on to rolling the chapati into a circular shape. I've kept flipping it over until I got the shape I desired. Once I did, I put it in my hand and just slapped it into the pan. Make sure you spread the edges of the chapati out so it can cook evenly. I add some oil and then I flip over to the other side to cook. And I repeat the process, so add oil here on the top and keep flipping it until it's cooked. I also keep spinning it around so the edges can cook as well, and once I feel it's ready, I remove it from the pan. And that's the rest that I cooked earlier. I'm only showing how I made one. Guys, this is usually eaten with beans, by the way, but I don't like beans, so I have mine with meat. And let me tell you something, it's even better. It's so nice. I had mine with some meat and plantain. You've got to try this recipe out, guys. It was so delicious. Enjoy!